Welcome to this case study on Mealed, Sustaining a Lunch Subscription Business, brought to you as part of the Skilled MBA case study series. This session explores how a Kerala-based meal subscription service, once thriving, is now at a strategic crossroads following the disruptions caused by COVID-19. The founders must now decide: restructure, pivot, or relaunch. Mealed, originally launched as Oru Pothikoru in 2017, started as an affordable home-style meal subscription service in Kerala. By 2019, it had scaled successfully through local partnerships. However, operations were halted in 2020 due to the pandemic, leaving the founders seeking strategic direction and investor support in 2021. Several stakeholders are invested in Mealed's future. The founders are at the forefront, working to revive and scale the business. Employees and partners have faced financial struggles since the shutdown. Customers, working professionals, depend on affordable, reliable meal services. Lastly, potential investors are assessing Mealed's viability and recovery plan. Mealed faces three critical challenges. First, operational challenges. Services have been completely halted since August 2020. Second, financial struggles. Serious cash flow issues threaten business survival. Third, strategic uncertainty. Pre-pandemic expansion plans were derailed, requiring a fresh approach to growth. Despite setbacks, Mealed has strong advantages. It built a loyal customer base before the pandemic, offering authentic, affordable home-style meals. The founders have deep operational experience and resilience, positioning them well to navigate a turnaround. However, Mealed also has significant weaknesses. Its physical meal delivery model makes it vulnerable to disruptions. A limited revenue model relies heavily on subscriptions without diversified income streams. Additionally, minimal digital engagement with customers limits scalability. There are clear opportunities for Mealed's revival. A digital transformation through app-based ordering can streamline operations. Strategic partnerships with cloud kitchens and delivery services could enhance logistics. Impact-focused investment through CSR funding could provide the financial bridge needed for relaunch. However, external threats remain. Continued work-from-home trends could reduce demand. Established food delivery giants pose competitive challenges. Lastly, regaining market trust after the shutdown will require strategic rebranding and customer engagement. Mealed's journey highlights four critical business concepts. Business resilience is crucial for navigating disruptions. Startup pivoting allows adaptation to new market realities. Subscription model evolution involves shifting to more flexible digital solutions. Lastly, investor readiness ensures a compelling recovery strategy to attract funding. One approach is to relaunch Mealed as a digital-first platform. This involves developing an app for ordering, centralizing food preparation in a cloud kitchen, and building a robust delivery network. While this offers strong scalability, it requires significant capital investment. A second option is to operate through partnerships with local restaurants and delivery services. This reduces capital needs while leveraging existing infrastructure. However, quality control and brand consistency may become challenges when outsourcing meal preparation and logistics. A third option is to introduce a hybrid model, blending subscription-based meals with flexible on-demand ordering. This balances predictable revenue with greater accessibility for occasional customers. While it offers higher margins, managing both models requires operational efficiency. Each strategy must be evaluated based on key factors: capital needs, how much funding is required; brand consistency, does the model align with Mealed's original mission; scalability, how easily can it expand. The digital-first model is highly scalable but costly. The partnership model is cost-effective but may dilute brand identity. The hybrid model offers strong potential with moderate investment requirements. Meald's experience highlights key lessons for startups. Adaptability is essential. Businesses must evolve to survive disruptions. Crisis requires reimagination. Rigid models won't work in changing conditions. Innovation fosters resilience. New revenue streams can ensure long-term sustainability. Finally, community engagement is vital. Strong relationships with customers and partners support recovery efforts. To achieve a successful relaunch, Meald should take a phased approach. First, start with a limited zone digital relaunch, testing demand before scaling. Second, secure bridge funding through impact investors or CSR networks. Third, form strategic partnerships with cloud kitchens and delivery providers. Lastly, craft a compelling brand narrative centered on resilience and community impact. Thank you for exploring Meald Sustaining a Lunch Subscription Business, brought to you as part of the Skilled MBA Case Study Series. This case study highlights the complexities of business recovery and the strategic pivots necessary for long-term success.